Hey there. Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so you can get latest video notifications. And this is absolutely free.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Shahidullah and you are watching Shahid Khan official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you how to fix MME device internal error and Adobe Premiere Pro. And I'm also facing the same problem, so just I thought in myself to may I create a video for those who don't know about that, so don't miss this video, okay? And we will also tell you that why we are facing these types of problems in that problem, okay? So let's first of all I'm going to open Adobe Premiere Pro for showing the error which show MME device internal error, okay? So then we will fix, and I will also tell you in that in this video why we are facing that and these problems, okay? Just and I have two version number, first 2020 and another is 2021. So first of all I will open 2020 version Adobe Premiere Pro, okay? So now you can see guys, Premiere Pro, MME device internal error, okay? So just I'm going to close and open again 2020, okay? First I opened the 2021 and then now we are going to open 2020 to show that 2020 also show the same problem, and then we will try to solve that problem, okay? And first of all, there are two main reasons that you will face that problem. Number first is that not usually, but sometimes when you update your Adobe Premiere Pro, but while I didn't update even my Adobe Premiere Pro, but I updated my PC, so that's why I am facing the same problem, okay? But remember that sometimes you will face that problem when you update your PC sometime, and maybe in your Premiere Pro, okay? So you will face the problem, and it's not that much big problem, okay? So it looks like nothing, and inshallah we will solve it definitely. So now you can see in a 2020 version also show the same problem, okay? MME device internal error. And by the way, inshallah in the next coming videos I will talk about that, how to download Adobe Premiere Pro 2020 and 2021, and how to use Adobe Premiere Pro for lifetime without any activation and paid. I will tell you that how to download totally free and install and activate for lifetime Adobe Premiere Pro latest version 2021, okay? Just for solving that problem, just click in the start button and right here privacy, and just click here setting, understand? And you can also click here privacy setting, and another option is that just click in the start button and then click the setting, okay? And then click here again privacy, and find out microphone, just click here microphone, and now you can see guys, my microphone access for this device is off, so that's the main reason, okay? Just click here change microphone access for this device, so we will definitely on that, okay? Select the on, okay? And just we are going to close that, and now I'm going to open again 2021 version of Adobe Premiere Pro, and let's we will check that we are facing the same problem again or not, okay? Just wait. and I'm going to select my old project again. Okay, yes, okay. So now you can see, guys, okay, problem solved successfully. And now I'm going to open 2020 version just for your and by the way, I'm going to open another version as well. Okay, just we are facing error or not, but definitely we will not face because we already solved that problem, so definitely we will not face, but just wait. So now you can see, guys, no, here we didn't see any notification about MME internal error. Okay, just and before we face that problem in a different version, I mean that in our Premiere Pro 2021 and in our Premiere Pro 2020, and after that when we solve the problem, we are not facing the same problem in both the version 2020 and 2021 version. So thanks a lot for giving us your precious time. Wish you all the best. Have a good day.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.